one do you like better? Oh, not this one. But
Pink or pink? So like dark pink or light pink?
okay. This we have dark pink. It's really glittery. It's a unicorn, just like the light pink. And I think it's a little more prettier. But the feeling is like bees inside. And it has gold. And I'll show you something cute, but you can also do this. So you go like this, and then the gold can spread apart, which is really cool. You can take it off. You see? It's really nice. I like it, and eyes are pretty hard to take off, so be there. And that's the smell, and I'm not sure if it came with a nose or not. But if it did, then that probably came off. But this is number one. This, number two, it's more like, oh, this one looks kind of farted. It's like foamy inside, and to me, I like this one way better, 100%. I'm gonna read it after, but it has this, and like this one is clear. This one is like this, and with this one, I'm also not sure if it had a nose, but if it did, it came off. And this is a smile, and I think you could do the same thing with the gold. Yep, but way more comes off, which is kind of bad. But yeah, they're both really cute, and they're both from the same place, I'm sure. I will keep on doing this with other squishies too. They're really cute. This is the sound that Bead One makes. This is the sound this one makes. This one sounds more like a fuss noise. This one sounds more like a beating noise. So it is. And then, yeah, what do you guys think? Personally, me, I like this one better because not just the feeling, but the looks. And I don't like how this one sounds, plus feels, plus looks. But I love how this one sounds, plus feels, plus looks. Even though the glitter can come off. It's a negativity, but they're really cute. And look. Like, so cute, like. So cute. I love it. Well, it's fun if you have different opinions, but let me know what you think.